Welcome. This episode we will be building part 2-12, the right hand steering arm. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 2-12, left hand steering arm for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's open up the template. Okay, let's go to right plane, sketch. We want to put 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 2 are going to be vertical. Beautiful. And they're going to be 76 apart. They're going to be the sizes right. 76 apart. Now the inner circle, this one will be 12. The outer circle will be 22. Bring that a bit. Yeah, I kind of did a bit big, didn't I? Okay, the inner circle, this one will be 10. The outer circle will be 19. Yep. Okay, so now we go feature, extrude. It's going to be 13 wide, mid-plane, and good to go. Right, so first part done. And before I go any further, there we go. Okay, let's go back to front plane, normal. Nope, sorry, right plane, normal. And sketch. Now we want to build just a simple part down. It's a simple straight section. It's like a spanner, but it's not a spanner. Pretty much looks like a spanner, but it's not open, so. Okay, that's good. Now we want to go. Oh, thank you. Do that, do that, do that. Delete that one. Oh, missed. Delete that one. Thank you. That'll be the right key. Okay, so now we want. There we go. One there. And one there. Okay, let me put those. Actually, you know what? Just say build trimming. Let me just go. Those 2 there. Those 2 to there. Those 2 to there. And those 2 to there. There we go. Smart dimensions. It's going to be 14 wide. It's going to be 7 in the middle, so do 7 first, so we don't pop over to one side. And then 14. Yep. And this curvature will match that curvature. If I get it. There we go. You have trouble collecting, click that one first, so there we go. Click that one first, that one second, and done. And that's locked into place. Because that's matched that curvature, you can't move any way, and that's there. So, and that is 6.5. So feature extrude 6.5 mid plane. Make sure it's mid plane, otherwise it's going to be off to one side. There we go. And we just need go to front plane, normal, sketch. And perfect. We need a hole right there. That's perfect. So it comes in when you put the center point in the right spot too. That's gonna be 5. Yep. And that's gonna be through cut, through all, direction 2, through all. Sorry, selected, and done. I hit it? No, I didn't. There we go. And that's through. Now, we'll fillet 0.5. So we want that face, no, not that edge. Seriously, How do you pick the edge through that? That face. That face. Oh, seriously. Yeah, try to pick that edge, you wouldn't know. Leave that one. Should do it there because that one's selected, so have a look. Actually, yeah, I don't think it's going to use that. I was thinking that while doing that. Okay, we just unhighlight that one. There we go. Here we want that one, that edge. Here's a good example of using edges and faces together, and that should be good. There we go. That's better. That's better. Same result, but that one's not chamfered or filtered. Okay, that's piece 2-12, right hand steering arm done. If you enjoyed the episode, click the like button, subscribe, leave comments. I do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.